Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is nominations by dispenser as relating to pharmacy and drugs. There's just the one table with so far just over 1 million rows of data. Let's have a look what sort of data's in there. EPS. Where is it? Here we are. There you go. You've got the pharmacy and current active nominations and the change. So that comes out every week. That's that. There's a free link. There's a link, sorry, in the description, which will give you free access to this data for 30 days for evaluation purposes. And if you want it, you can go ahead and play with that. And then if you want to use the data or any of the other thousands and thousands of data sets in here, just let us know and we'll sort out the license. And if there's any data sets we don't do that you want us to add, we'll just add them. Thanks.